Hi dudes, for our XUV700 AX7 we have purchased 70 mAh Pro Plus A500S dual channel camera. This is very useful, especially while driving in Bangalore city. Nowadays we are seeing many people wantedly they are stopping us. They are making us to believe that we have dashed them. So to overcome this I have fixed the 70 mAh dual channel pro camera. It will record every inch of my movement. So let's unbox this. If people who are living in Bangalore, this camera is must to have. The cost of this is 11,000. I have purchased during Big Billion Days, so it got me for 10,000. It contains two cameras. One is front and second is rear. It will record every 1 minute video. You can adjust the time intervals, like if you want for 5 minutes you can have, if you want for 10 minutes you can have that, but I want for every minute so that I can download every minute. If it is 5 minutes the MB will be more, and even it have some ADAS features also and emergency features also. Suppose if you go by rash driving or if you hit any obstacle, it records emergency video for 15 seconds. Even if you go by speed breaker, if there is ups and downs, it will record. Let's see now. They have given spoon. Using this spoon only you can use for wiring, and then the plug, rear wire, this sticker, and then for front wire. Two cables will be given, and then the manual they have provided here. Then two cameras, one is front and one is rear. If you see this is for rear camera. For front you can see small display in the camera itself. Very beautiful packing. Based on ratings, it is very good. So I have purchased this for 10k. If you want single camera, it will be available for 7,000. And single camera in the sense, if you don't need rear camera. And for installation, I'm afraid of installing myself, so I went to Classic Car Care. It is in Kerpuram. They have charged 800, and you need to buy SD card also to record this. So I purchased Samsung 32 GB SD card. It is 1100. So if you see here, they are fitting my card for the camera. For rear they are fitting. They have done it in clear manner. There is no wire visible. You can see. Using that spoon, they will it will help them very well. It is near Kerpuram vegetable market. If you want to go to Vayapanagar, you need to take left from the Kerpuram. It comes exactly at the corner. In next video I'll show you. I have done for rat fitting also, rat mesh and 10 rat mesh. This is my memory card, 128 GB. It's not 32 GB, it's 128 GB. It cost me around 1100. It records all 4K videos. It's almost done. They have charged for installation 800 and for memory card it is 1100. Total 1900 they charged. You need to be very careful while installing. The wire should not be visible. For rear, they have made me through the water cable.